Hello everyone and welcome to World of Piano. My name is Martin Ivanov. I'm a concert classical pianist. You might have seen some of my YouTube videos before. If you haven't, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some things you might find helpful, some things you might find interesting or fun to do. Today I'm going to show you a way to see music differently. Now some of you will probably disagree with everything that I have to say, but that's quite alright, I honestly don't care. Today I will show you what I think is a very creative way to look at music. Music is amazing. Classical music is amazing. It gives us purpose in life. It goes side by side with us in our most difficult moments in life, but also in our happiest ones. Music is fun. Music is also pain. Music is hope. Music is everything. Classical music enjoys the attention of tens of millions of people around the world. From music lovers to hobby players, from young prodigies to established musical professionals. And we all, subconsciously, try to make music better. We support it by teaching it, spreading information about it. We also try constantly to improve ourselves as musicians. In today's video, I will engage you with a piece all of you know, a piece that we all have played, and as you already heard in the background, this is the C minor Prelude by Johann Sebastian Bach. So let me show you how you can practice this masterpiece in a way that keeps you entertained and at the same time in a way that allows you to explore endless possibilities that will help you with an extreme amount of piano repertoire. Music is so incredible. But you know, there's one problem with it. We all, as students, are always taught to take everything very seriously and to be very respectful, which isn't bad, but a lot of the times we aren't allowed to play something like that or like that just because it's not correct. This isn't what the composer wanted. Like anyone knew what composers wanted. I mean, they probably only wanted to get paid for their work, which is surprisingly something almost no one talks about. Anyway, of course we should take it seriously, but at the same time, music is supposed to be fun, and we always should look for fun elements to play with, not to get bored. Just see how we can completely change the character of the piece by playing it like that, for example. I guess I'm just trying to make you escape from a mindset that many classical musicians carry, a mindset that makes us feel almost embarrassed if we try to play something in a different way, a mindset that makes us feel unsure in ourselves for having own ideas. All of that, what I said, being said, you should always have an educated approach to the music you're playing. You can take ideas from your favorite pianists. You should most definitely listen to your teacher or your mentor. Or maybe you're an amazing pianist and you don't need to listen to anybody. In this case, I congratulate you and wish you to be recognized for your skills. Bach is amazing, isn't he? And was he lucky? He had like 20 children. Most of them died, so I'm probably not that lucky. But his music stayed for 350 years for us to enjoy it and make YouTube videos about it. He inspired endless composers after him to continue and develop his legacy. Be happy if you have a chance to sit at your piano and explore history. Don't be afraid to look for new colors, new ideas. It is, after all, what makes us human beings and, even more importantly, people of art. That is all for today. I'm hoping you're having a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening. Thanks for watching and see you next time.